God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today, we have a long day ahead of us, but we're going to be working on this Infiniti. Now, you might remember this Infiniti from last week. I came and did an estimate on this vehicle, right? I'm blessed to say I was given the opportunity once again to provide my services to this customer, and I'm just grateful overall really for the opportunity. And you guys might say, which package did she choose, right? We're going to be doing a two-step paint correction on this Infiniti. And that's pretty much, so the two-step for me is going to be, you'll see in the video, we're going to be using Coach Chemi H9, which is my favorite one, paired with a Rupes coarse pad. I think it's like a wool pad, I think. It's a blue one. And then followed up with the Coach Chemi I think it's P301, the fine cut, and it has a wax on there, right? Why did I choose that one? Obviously, we'll find out throughout this video why I did all these, why I went this route. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But anyways, let's get started with this video.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good.
It's a beautiful day.
Oh my God, it's getting better and better every morning. I'm like, I can deal with this.
Yes, I'm sure it makes it easier on you.
Yes. Are you excited?
The key is in it, so feel free if it's not positioned the way you want.
It's perfect. I'll just pull it in once I finish.
Okay.
It's gonna look good.
I'm so excited. The more I keep looking at it, it makes me more frustrated that I jumped into something.
Bought it. It's all right.
You know?
When we finish it, this thing will, you'll get your money's worth. I think I made the right move.
Good. I'm so glad I found you. Do you know the guy that recommended you to me?
Yeah.
From the car wash in
I used to. So he used to be my manager.
Okay.
Many years ago, and I was like the assistant manager, and we worked together.
He didn't give me any history or background. He just, when I showed him,
yeah,
he was like, there is a guy, he's a really good guy, and he's good at what he does, and he's like, let me find his number, and he gave it to me.
Yes, I've been doing this since 2001, when I was like I think 8th grade is when I started at a car wash. And I fell in love with it.
See how you do, because I'm watching your videos and I'm falling in love with it, and I'm like, my son is, I told you, driving my old Infiniti. It's a 2015, and he was wanting to wash it this morning again. He's always taking care of it, and I said, wait, because I want to make sure that we get the right stuff and go forward using the right things, and that way.
Yes, because you had told me you use, did you say Dawn dish soap? Yeah, so Dawn dish soap is a, it will deteriorate all the sealants and waxes and deteriorates your paint eventually. But I think I sent you an email yesterday. It was kind of late, but it was just 2 links with a soap that I would recommend. That soap is pH neutral, so it's not gonna, it doesn't damage any clear or sealants or anything like that. And then a towel, I think.
That car still looks good. It was always garage kept and taken care of.
No, once we do this, you will be fine. So I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'll let you get busy.
All right.
I was going to ask you, can we pop this off?
Let's see. I think I can.
And I thought,
only
if
thing
I ask
is,
you before you do it.
Yes, I didn't bring my my D-badge kit.
That's okay.
But
I mean, we can leave it on there. I just thought it.
Give me like next week if you're home. I'll swing by. We'll take care of that, and then I'll just repolish over it. You'll be
really?
Okay. Yeah. You'll be all right. This probably will take me like 30 minutes or so or less.
Oh, no. So, I don't want to make you do that.
No, you're fine. It'll give it a better...
Then I'm not advertising for them.
You're like, I don't want it. Awesome. Well, no, I'll get ready on it. Are the keys in there, you said?
Yeah. So
okay, perfect.
Do anything,
awesome. And then I'm able to pull it inside and use your garage. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
If you pull it in center, let me move this, because I usually pull to the far left.
Oh, okay.
And this thing will be in the way.
Yeah.
There we
go. Yeah. Okay, cool.
You're good, though.
Yeah, I'll be all right.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, so for the cleaning stage, I like to do it all in one hit. So pretty much, once I foam, then I grab my wash mitt, and then I'll do my wash mitt first, and then I'll come follow it up with the clay bar. This way, I just pretty much do two things in once. I know some people tend to foam, then they'll do their contact wash, then they will do the rinse, and then they will do the clay. For me, I try to just do everything all at once. For the towel, I'm using the spta. This is a 1200 GSM. I was actually very surprised on how this worked. I was very skeptical, tried it out today, and honestly, it's a really solid towel for whether you're gonna dry or for the interior. So I'll post a link down below. For the polisher, I went ahead and pulled the big boy out today. We're using the Max Shine 21 millimeter throw, and the reason I went this route is because with the 21 millimeter, it just covers more and it's gonna get the job done much quicker than if I would have used like my 15 millimeter throw. But honestly, this thing worked amazing today. And before I start on the last step, which is the polishing stage, it's just a habit. I like to use a prep spray. This way, obviously, I'm gonna work with what we call a virgin paint, right? No oils, nothing like that on the paint. But I know some people will probably they'll do like the heavy cut and then they'll just follow it with the polish of their choice. But for me, I don't know, I just got into a habit of just prepping the paint prior to adding the last stage, right? This way, I can just ensure that the polish is gonna adhere to the paint much better. But you know, some say you don't have to do that. For me, I just like to do that. And for the last step is I'm using the Max Shine 15 millimeter throw with the Coach Chemi P301 for the last step. This one here is a very fine cut. All I'm doing is just trying to just clean up the paint to the best of its ability and just leave some protection behind. And I think this is always like one of my most favorite combos to use for a two-step. And lastly, I am using probably my most favorite spray to use till this day. Literally, I carry it with me all the time. Is the DIY ceramic gloss spray. I'm using that as a topper after I did the whole two-step. This is just gonna add that volume and that richness in the paint, and obviously it's gonna add some slickness to the paint. Not that it needed it, but it's just, this spray is just a game changer to have. and I have really enjoyed using this in a lot of my customers' vehicles. You know, usually I say about 24 hours is the curing time, and literally when it rains, this thing beads up like crazy. So if you haven't tried this product, give it a try. I think there's still a code for it. I think you get like 10% off when you use Carlos Serrano as a discount code from their website. So if you haven't tried it, get you a bottle and let me know what you think, or if you have this product already and you've tried it, what do you think about it?
It looks so good. I just want to cry. I feel so much better about it now.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh. That looks good. And you even took off the letters.
I did.
Thank you. Oh. Oh my gosh, you just do not know. I lost sleep over that. I did, thinking I made such a big mistake. And now
No, it turned out really good.
It looks amazing. It looks like what I would expect for a car to look like.
All the water spots gone.
Yes, and the scratches.
Yes.
The scratches.
I even took that one that had that bird dropping in there. I took that out, and then I went ahead and got your windows. Took all that. You saw how those water spots were on there prior?
It came off.
Came off.
Because I was going to do that.
No, I'll save you the headache.
Because you've got the stuff to do it. You are amazing. Oh my gosh. I am so glad I found you and you were able to work this miracle. I feel so much better.
Now it looks like if you just bought it from a dealership.
Yes, because I was embarrassed.
Yeah, no, it turned out really, really good.
This is beautiful. I am so happy.
It's so smooth now.
So, to wash it, I'm going to go buy stuff.
Yes,
I'm supposed to
actually, before I forget.
And I'm going to get a mitt, because I'm supposed to use a microfiber mitt, right?
Yes.
My son and I are going to do this right.
So this is for you.
Is that stuff?
Yes.
That you told me about?
It has everything that you'll need.
So good. I just want to cry because
No.
I want to do this right.
Yes, no.
You know?
Yeah, no, in that bag it has everything.
So what do I do?
So this will be like your drying towel.
Okay.
This is your wash mitt right here.
Oh, so I don't even have to go get one.
You got your wash mitt.
Is that
and then this is the one you saw in the video, the ceramic gloss. So this one you'll use it after you wash it. I do it maybe like once a month.
Okay, not every time.
Not every time. You shouldn't have to. Okay. This one should last you at least, I'd say a good 4 to, say about 5 months.
Okay.
So I've applied it already.
Okay.
So you're good. You're good for a good couple of months. Okay. Then you can reapply like before winter kind of hits.
You just spray it and wipe it?
Yep.
And that's
so after you wash it, you'll dry it, and then you'll come and you'll spray your towel, and then spray the towel. You blend it in here, and then you'll need 2 towels, one for the blending, and then the second one is the buff off.
Okay.
And then that's all. And I mean,
it's easy.
Very easy.
Okay. Good.
Yep. Now it's gonna be much easier because I mean everything is.
Because my son's gonna want to do it too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. God, that means so much. I appreciate that.
Yes. No, I was like.
I'm gonna refer you.
Because when you said about the dot, and I was like, let me get her a package. I was like, let me get some stuff, because
yeah. Because we're using that brush up there.
Yes. No. I literally when I was over there, I was like, I wonder if this is what they're using.
Yes. And I thought that's probably gonna scratch it.
Yeah. No. Everything by hand. Wash mitt. If you run it through the car wash, I mean, it's not recommended, but you'll be okay. You know, you'll be okay. I just recommend, like, if you do run through the car wash, use that ceramic gloss.
Okay.
So apply it just to bring it a little bit back.
Okay.
But you should be okay. Preferably hand washing is gonna be the best route, by all means.
That's what we'll do most.
That way you don't have those scratches come back. If everything is done by hand, you'll be okay.
You did amazing. This looks like a totally different color.
More rich.
It is beautiful.
Oh, thank
You
you.
can count it if you want.
No,
to.
you're
It's under
fine.
800, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh man, it looks so good, and thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
I'll be following you on your YouTube videos or Instagram or whatever.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
I appreciate it.
I'll put a review and anything I can do.
Yeah,
to
no,
help.
thank you. I appreciate it.
I doubt you need my help. It seems as if
Hey,
you probably have a million followers. And
all help is welcome, right? You know, but no, I really appreciate the opportunity. So.
Well, thank you. It looks amazing.
It changed color. That's a good thing. Awesome.
You change lives. Look at it like
One
that.
car at a time, right?
Exactly. That should be your slogan.
No, my slogan is walk by faith, not by sight. I use that one every day.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And that concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just a little bit of everything of what I did today. The total amount of hours on this one was 7 hours, and obviously I think if you guys saw, the total cost was $800 for this two-step paint correction. I had to be very careful because the paint was real thin, so I didn't want to diminish it more, but it came out so amazing, and I'm just glad that I got the opportunity to showcase a little bit of what I enjoy to do, right? But as always, God bless you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.